So hello everyone, welcome to the part 3 of content management system CRUD operation. In the last part of the video, like we have learned how to create this both, and like how to submit value, and like when we submit the value, how to see in the console. We have seen this. So next part, like we'll be doing the API part. So first I'll go to my add component HTML. Uh, so my form name is contact form. So I'll disable if it is invalid. This dot contact form dot invalid. So whenever values are empty in this box, this button will be disabled. So when I type some values, the time this button will be enabled. So first, let me create a model. So let me create contact model dot ts, and I'll click on contact model dot ts here. So here export class contact first name, it will be string, then I have last name, after that I have phone number and city. We have phone number and city. Phone number, and it will be of type number, and city type string, and we'll also have the ID of type number. So we'll be installing the JSON server. So let me open a new terminal. I'll go to my Chrome and I'll type first JSON server. After typing that, first link I'll visit, and let me come below. So scroll below. You have to just copy this link and paste it here in that new terminal. So first we will install the JSON server. So JSON server has been installed. Then we have to run this command. Copy this and run this command. And this will be running at localhost 3000. Copy. You can see it is running on localhost 3000. So now whenever we submit, like I have to go to this page, contact list page. So I'll be going to the add component.ts. So after submitting data, I have to go there. So private router yes, and this gets auto imported. So here this dot router dot navigate we need some path. our path was I'll go to the routing model.ts. So now we are at add contact page and I have to go to the contact list page. So I'll copy this and paste it here and let me save. So let me give some dummy data. Test and phone number, some dummy test. When I submit the data, I am going to this page, contact management, the main page, the contact list page. So this has been finished. So now next thing is I need a API. So now let me open a new terminal. ng g for generate, s for service, and service will be API. So our API service has been created. You can see here. So let me go to app model.ts. So let me import HTTP client module from at angular slash common slash HTTP. So let me copy this HTTP client module and put in the import side. I'll save it. So let me go to my API service. Here, private HTTP client. So this will get auto imported. So first we'll be doing the post method. And that will be add contact data. Data should be same as what we have done here, contact model.ts. This is contact, so same contact I'll use here. Contact, sorry, contact model what imported, so I don't need this. Let me keep it as contact only, and this I'll remove. Import contact from, let me fetch where it is present. Slash component. So here our contact model is being present. So second thing is like I have to save here. So here return this dot http dot post contact. So we'll be using the JSON server link of the post. So first click on the post, copy this and paste it here, and the parameter was data, and let me save it. So now let me go to add component.ts. Here private API service. So API service got auto imported. So this I'll comment and keep. So on submit. Also here I need this dot contact form dot value. I need data that is of contact. So this contact got imported from the contact model. So here I need this dot API dot add contact, that will be data, and I have to subscribe the data, take a response, let me copy this both inside here. So it's throwing error because I didn't save. Let me save. Okay, let me check now. So when I put the data, let it be phone number, let it be dummy, city let it be Mumbai, and when I submit the data, I am going to this page, and we can see data has been posted. So our post method is been working now. Whenever I post data, all the data get posted here. So let me use the get function to render this data which is coming from here. So let me go to the API service.ts. So here let me write get method. So let it be get contact return this dot http dot get, it will be contact array. So I have to get that data from the post. So let me copy here and paste, and let me call the API in the contact list page. So let me close all the tabs. So here in contact list page, here I have come here. So first I have to in the constructor we have to call the API service which is rendered first. Here you implements on init, and second thing I have to use ng on init. So I need a constructor as well. So here let me use constructor private API service. So API service got auto imported. So let me create a get contact function, get contact, this dot API dot get contact. So let me subscribe. Take the response. Is dot data equals to response. So data I have to define data that will be like undefined. It will be the contact, and contact will be getting imported from here. Let it be contact array. Let me save, and then I'll go to the list component.html. So let me use the ng for loop now. So here I'll be using ng for let item of data. So here let it be item dot first name, item dot first name. Second one is item dot last name. Third one is item dot phone number, and then item dot city. Item dot city. And here two buttons will be coming. So for that buttons I have to use the font or some buttons. So first let me go to app component.html, not app component, index.html. So font or some link I will be using. I'll be giving you in the description below. I have this font or some link. So let me copy directly, and I'll paste here above and save. And let me go to the contact list component. So here let me use the font or some type buttons. So I class equals to FAS FA edit, and little space I want. And this will be trash for delete. And we need the button I need the color also, so let me give the class or style. I'll give the style directly here. Color, let it be blue, and that another color, let it for trash, let it be delete. Let it be red. And let me go to the component list, contact list component.ts, and I have to call this function in ng on init. This dot get contact, and we can see the data has been rendering here. So I'll show you again. Ritesh. Let me put a phone number, city, let me input and submit the data. We can see data is coming. So our add contact and like display contact has been showing now. It's been working. So next video we'll be working on edit and delete, and later we'll be looking for the login as well. So as of now, thanks for watching this video. So stay